In this video, we'll be showing the Explorer module. For a given place, we'll be setting up what we want to see and set up the time interval. You can see here, each bar corresponds to different consumption points. We can convert energy consumption into euros. We can compare actual consumption versus the consumption of last year at the same time, same period. Compare current consumption against a budget, for example, and constantly have updated a figure about whether or not we are complying with the budget. Comparing consumption with the phases of energy supply for a given period of time with a given resolution. All data can be exported to Excel or PDF. Now we will be showing solar generation versus forecast of generation. You can see that and set up that for a given period of time with a given resolution. Now we'll be showing consumption, energy consumption and consumption per guest in case of an hotel, for example. And we can see that the consumption goes along with the guest occupation, with the consumption per guest. Yellow line. Things seem to be okay. The alarms module. In the first tab, Active, you will have access to all active alarms. They are organized in 3 different levels of severity. Under the History tab, you'll have access to all alarms that were activated in the past and check details. Under the Manage tab, you can go into the details of every single activated alarm, check or change any formulas, any conditions, what days they are active, what are the activation hours. All that can be easily done and managed. In this video, we'll be showing how to optimize the EV charging of a vehicle through the utilization of solar generated energy, here shown in yellow. So in the dark blue bars we see how the car was charged, and in light blue we'll see how the EV car could be charged, maximizing the solar energy generated in the same building. In this video, we'll be showing the control module. In this screen, you can see all controls that are set up and are controlling remote devices. You can check the days of the week and the time they are triggered. Now we'll be setting up a new control. Select the device. We set the days of the week and the time on and time off. Give it a name, and then it's done. In the Explorer Advanced tab, we'll be showing the status of the device that we just set up. So this is the confirmation step, and also the consequence in terms of the impact of this action in the temperature of a given room, for example. So here we can check the temperature was quite steady. And here we can check how the things are done.